Repairing acid reflux problems. These tips will help. Finding out that you have acid reflux problems can really put a crimp in your lifestyle. It can keep you from enjoying your meals, and it can keep you from enjoying your day period. Consider the following helpful advice concerning making sure you kick acid reflux to the curb and start enjoying life. Slippery elm is a supplement which can help to thicken the mucus lining layer of the stomach. This gives your stomach an internal layer of protection from acid. Adding 2 tablespoons of the supplement to a glass of drinking water after your meals and before bedtime seems to do the trick. Be sure to watch what kind of foods you ate before you notice the reflux symptoms. Most acid reflux sufferers find that certain foods trigger their acid reflux. Once you realize what tends to be your trigger, try your best to avoid your trigger foods, especially in the evenings. If you find you have heartburn more than once a week, you may actually have gout. This is a serious condition which needs to be both treated and monitored by a medical professional. Talk to your doctor about your condition and whether there is a treatment out there to cure it for you. If you have excess fat in the abdominal area, it can cause you to experience acid reflux. This is because there is extra pressure in the abdominal area. The best way for you to reduce these symptoms would be for you to try to get some of the excess weight off. Regular, moderate exercise helps reduce acid reflux attacks by improving your health. Make sure the exercise is moderate. Try not to exercise rigorously, as this can actually exacerbate your symptoms. Exercises like this keeps your body in an upright stance, which keeps the acids in your stomach down. Exercise will also help you shed some extra pounds, another prime cause of acid reflux. Do not lie down after a meal if you have acid reflux disease. When you lay down, the esophagus opens up more. This lets acid from the stomach come up through the esophagus and ultimately, through your throat and mouth. It is recommended that you wait at least 2 hours after a meal to lay down. It is known that smoking is bad for your health, but did you also know that smoking can have an effect on acid reflux? When you smoke, more stomach acid is produced, digestion is slowed down, and less saliva is produced. Smoking also causes the sphincter of the esophagus to weaken, making acid reflux occur. Skip the antacid. An antacid is fine if you only suffer from acid reflux occasionally, however, more frequent sufferers should look for better treatment options. An antacid is only a temporary fix, working to mask the pain. It does nothing to treat the underlying cause of the problem. Using antacids too frequently can even cause your stomach to start producing more acid in response. Perhaps you now feel empowered with the tips and advice that have been given to you. It is time that you realized just how much of a difference a few changes can make. Acid reflux doesn't have to dominate your life. Instead, use what you have read to take back control. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.